So today I'm reviewing the free sample by Hibriway, and it's a karaoke machine with two microphones. Let me start by saying that it can play, when fully charged, it can play up to 6 hours of singing and music. It comes with a charger, as you can see here. It comes with instructions, super easy to read. So just make sure you spend some time, a few minutes, just reading that, and the two microphones. So this can be pretty loud. I just turned it on. Look how beautiful it looks. Very fun for birthdays, parties, or just hanging out with friends. My son, my toddler, loves it because he can sing his Disney songs and play along. So what you want to do first is pair it with your computer or your phone. You can put the songs and you can pause them. You can go fast forward, pause it, increase the volume, and just sing up to 6 hours. So this is very fun, a great thing to have in addition to adding toys to your kids list. Maybe you can add this and have them sing. I hope you enjoy it, and thank you for watching.